Hi, and welcome to this quick video showcasing how to import Google Fonts into your Kanka campaign. We'll start off at fonts.google.com to find a font that we want to import. Specifically, we're looking for web fonts. I found this example font that I want to use in my Kanka campaign called Rubik Bubbles. I will select it here by clicking on the plus, which now gives me information on the right side on how to import it. Specifically, it's the import command here showcased, which I want to use. So I will copy that and head over to my Kanka campaign. Let's start by adding a new style. We'll name this one fonts, and we'll only include the import rule. I'll explain for why in a second. Click save. And now what I want to do is place the font style all at the top and save the new order. Now back in Google, I'm going to copy this font family rule. Head on back into Kanka and create a new style. I will now target my entity names with this new rule and save. Now when I head over to a character, the entity name now has this beautiful font. Let's say you want to import a second font from Google. When you're adding it, it will automatically combine the fonts you've already selected with the new one. However, let's say you're not doing this at the same time but later or from a different site. You will have a new import rule, which you will copy and paste into your fonts theme on your Kanka campaign. Now let's say I want the submenu to have this font. It is now beautiful and I have multiple font styles. The reason we have to put fonts all at the top instead of anywhere in your list of styles is because if we move it, for example, after tooltips and save, you'll see that the font is no longer properly imported. The import rules are being ignored. If I head over back to More, you'll see the font is now only cursive, which was the second parameter of the font family. If I go and place fonts back at the top, the fonts are once again properly loaded. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful.